everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can create tabular columns in Notion. So Notion gives us a few options on how you can create different kinds of tabular column, which is pretty useful. And these are like the slash, and then you can go all the way down so you can find the tables, the databases. The table, then there's a board view. I really like the board view. It keeps you motivated actually. Like, I really like this. Like, not started, progress, complete. I really like finishing all my tasks. I don't know if that's only me. But anyways, coming back to the databases, like there's pretty good tabular columns here. There's so many. You can have a full page of it, or you can just inline, that is, you can create many things in the same page. You can have many tabular columns or the databases in one page itself. But today I'm going to show you how you can create a tabular column from scratch. So first I'm going to write down the syntax or the formula, whatever you want to call it as. I really like doing this. It's kind of fancy, but yeah. Right. Okay. So for the syntax, it always begins and ends. And by that I mean, like, it starts with a slash begin. I'm going to leave a few lines so that later on I can fill in it. So again, slash end. So back to the front, like it begins and ends, right? So now this is a common for both begin and end. That is, I'm going to leave some space because I like to do that. You can ignore the space or you can give the space. So it's an array. And the same thing, making a lot of spelling mistakes. Okay. So this is the beginning, this is the end. Now you have to fill in with the content that you want. So now coming back here, this is like the number of columns that you would need in your tabular column. So again, starting with that, then ending with that. Now going in the middle, so I'm going to delete that so that you can see. Okay, now a straight line, and then C, then a straight line, then a C, straight line, and then C, straight line, and close it. So it basically means that you're going to have 3 columns. The 3 C's are the columns, so you're going to have 3 columns. If you want to have 4 columns, you can add in a C and then you can close it up like that. We'll keep it as 3 columns for now. The 3 C's are basically 3 columns. So now you want to start a new line, right? So again, the slash h and then line. Then you hit enter. I'm going to erase that. So now what do you want inside your table? You need some content. You need a heading. So now to create heading and content, it's basically the same. So now what you have to do is, again, the syntax, everything, the syntax is all about the slash. So if you forget the slash, the function won't work. So now you can just type in the slash text and then leave some space, one tab of space bar and a curly bracket, and then you can fill in with the text that you want. This is just an example. So now you want to have like 3 columns, right? So now this is just one heading. This is the first C that you can see, this first column heading. Now you just type in and then hit enter, and then again you can just keep repeating this text, curly bracket, then this is just the second column, and then again when you hit enter, you can just text and then day, and then now if you have 3 columns, you can type in and then you can do the same thing again. But you have only, like, you want only 3 columns, so this is the end of it. So you have to end the line like how you started it with slash h line, right? So you want to type in like three slashes and then again end with 3h line. So now we are going to see how this looks like in an actual tabular column. Now there are two ways as how you can do this. That's the inline equation, and there's the block equation. So now for the inline equation, you can type any word to start off with. I'm just going to type in stage. So now you can hit that. And to save time, since I already explained the syntax, and I'm going to just copy that, and then double tap, hit create equation, and just fill it in. Now this is how it will look. You already have a sneak peek of how it's looking right here, and hit done. This is just like the one row of it. Now if you want to have two rows, that is like one below the other, you can copy from here all the way till there, and after that just hit just copy pasting, right? Control C, Control V, and there we have it. It's like that. And in case you want to change the values of the lower one, which obviously you will be doing, just then you can actually see down there that it's gone. So you can write near phase 1 or something, and then date 1st Feb Tuesday. It will expand depending on how big or how small the word is. So yeah, so that's everything about inline equation. Now it's going to be the same for a block equation as well. It's just that it looks quite different. So I copy this once again. Actually, I'm going to copy this. Copy, and just going to type in something. You can do it directly from the create equation. For the block equation, you have to go here, and you can see in here. For block equation, it always center aligns itself. So if you're looking for aesthetic purpose, you can put it in the middle. You can use a block equation. So now after highlighting, just paste it there. It will center align itself. So that's the difference between inline equation and block equation. So I hope you found this easy. So now in case you want to have another column, like the fourth column, all you have to do is just go right there, type in C, and then hit that. Now you can see that this side is like kind of darker than the rest. That's because it added another column, but it's empty, so you need to add in another one. So you can go back here. If you want another column right here, you can just go there and type it in. So okay, I'm going to show you how you can add in a column. So now all you have to do is and then backslash text. Now it will show an error because it is incorrect. So now you just have to do that. Double column, the bracket thing, and you can type in whatever you want, like month. So now in case you want to just shift it to the other one, you can copy paste, or if you want to type in again, you can do that as well. So I'm copying that, and I'm going to paste it in here. Now you can delete that. Right. You can delete this. Just put an end. And there we have it. So now you would have noticed that Tuesday is like month is not Tuesday. It should be under day. Yes, because we shifted this entire thing which was here, shifted like before the date, right? So you have to fill in this. So all you have to do is slash text, the bracket, then fab. There we have it. Then we just put an and, will be shifted, and now I can just erase this because we have an entire column for month itself. So yeah, that's simple and easy to do. Yeah, so that's everything about tabular columns. You can screenshot this if you like. Yeah, I hope you learned something from it. So yeah, that's everything about this video. So thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.